Alright, Assembly Dojo, Technique 13, that was spikes. Keep the disciple moving after it hits the spikes.
Oh no!
If you were to look closely at this AI, you notice it is said to end the game of the loss if it discharges the spikes. You want to make AI that says, when tapped and the game has already been lost, stop the object from going up. Unfortunately, we don't have an action that can stop the object from going up, so we have to think of another way to say it. When tapped and the game has already been lost, stop the object from going up. In other words, when tapped and the game has not been lost, make the object go up. These two sentences are saying essentially the same thing.